Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today's topic, parenting again. On the people's request, we are going to have one more video on parenting. You already might have seen my first video on parenting. Today's video is actually the first step towards parenting. I say first step because the real bonding between a child and a parent starts at an early age. We always say that if you sow mango, you will get mango. If you sow neem, you will get neem. So when a child is very small, a year, always remember, don't use them as a toy. They are human beings. And every child is different from another child. And never understand that your child is the best. This is the biggest mistake we make, because then to prove it, we use a child as a toy. Beta, recite your poem. Beta, do a dance. See, why you want to show everyone that your child is best? If the child is best, naturally the people are going to come to know today or tomorrow that he is the best or she is the best. Never try to prove it. And who are the other people, by the way? You are the one who is going to have the fruits if your child is good, and if bad, then also you will have to suffer. So, don't try to make the illusion that your child is the best. Don't use your child as a toy of yours. That remote controlling is your hand and you can move it as you wish. See, myself, I am experienced. I was also a working woman. But I used to adjust the timing accordingly. When the child gets the food, especially I've seen many children, they don't like to eat food, and then the mama is running behind the child with the plate of the food. Beta, 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 what is this? See how much you force them. They will be away from that thing with their mind. Instead of that, you tell them a very good stories, small stories. Or some small poems. See, if there is a rainy season, this is not something which I am telling you. This is experienced. I have told my granddaughter and even my daughters when they were small. When there is a rainy season in Gujarati, there is a very good poem, Avre Varsad Ghebaryo Varsad. Uni uni rotli ne karena jak. See, rotli. The child used to understand is the word rotli. So, we can feed them nicely, enjoying the poem, enjoying the stories. And that will give them nutrition. You see, we are not forcing. They are happily taking the intake of the food. And the smile you see on the face of a child. A great smile, which will make you happy. Secondly, when a child is very small, sometimes they don't understand, especially potty or, Then, according to the child psychology, we always see that put them on the seat. of the toilet seat, of course. And then say something nice things to them. Wait, maybe first, second day they will not be able to understand this is a toilet seat and why they are sitting there. Obviously they don't know. But slowly they will understand that when I am supposed to sit on this seat, what is expected is this. So you are not going to force them. It's such a simple things which makes you happy, which makes your child happy, and very important thing, that child never feels that he or she is forced by the parent. But they enjoy doing the things and therefore they want to listen to you. See, this bonding will make effect when they will be teenagers. Next thing, I have seen that when you are going for a party or something, going out, say for a hotel or shopping or anywhere, you want your child to be dressed as you wish. Why? If somebody forces you to wear this dress only, would you like it? No. Same thing goes for your child. You give 2-3 choice and let them make the choice. So this will be like teaching them unknowingly how to make a choice. A very simple tricks. But if you just give one dress and say, wear this is a command. And nobody likes a command. Even we don't like. But when you give the choice, then they are happy. And never comment in front of others that she wears or he wears only such dresses or such colors. See, it is something the child likes. When grows up, maybe the choice will be changed, the color which they like, the food which they like will be changed. Never. Last thing which I always listen from parents. My child comes from the school and then throws the bag, then the shoes, then the uniforms are very disorganized. Do you think that you have learnt everything when you were in womb or as soon as you came out? No. Somebody taught you. So, why don't you teach them? But teach like a teacher. Hey, hello, pick up the shoes. Put your bag there. No, very wrong thing. Beta, where is our shoe rack? Can you show me? Okay. Come. We'll put your shoes in the rack. You just say come. Let the shoes be in the child's hand. So funny, isn't that? But it is very true. With all the things you can do this way. And when the things are in order, appreciate it. This appreciation will boost their moral. And of course, next time, before you tell them anything, they will put the shoes in the rack. They will put their bag wherever they have to keep it. So nice things, The childhood is, in my language, I feel that it is like a bird. The bird will bloom if the real environment is given. A conducive environment is given. So let the childhood be a memorable. Because you don't know, this childhood memory will be memorable for you also and for the child also. You will feel happy whenever you remember it. Even the child will be happy. Such a nice things, which take just a few seconds and makes a memorable gift for our life. Because I always say that to see a child to grow is a real happiness. Because once they grow, they have their own ideas, they have their own things, they have their own world. But when they are a child, the mother and the father is the world. And for you also, the child is the world. So why don't you make your world happy, full of joy? Let the things be here and there, whatever, so many things. Sometimes they get bad marks, sometimes they get good marks. Do you think these marks are going to be very important? Don't go in such red race. You will lose your child. You will lose what? You know what? A precious thing which your child should have, it is the confidence. When you harass them, see what marks you have got. See your friends' marks. Their confidence on themselves will be down. Do you want your child to be dumbo? Less confident? No. He has to face the world tomorrow. Let him be confident. The marks are not going to be so meaningful. But the confidence level, his behavior is going to make a difference. Is going to make him something. And that something will make him different from others. That's what every parent wants. So let the childhood be a happy era of parents and a child. The last thing I always tell, that when the child is very small, sometimes they call you in the school. I am a teacher, I know. But I was not a teacher for the primary and Montessori and all that. But I've heard. Then sometimes the teachers have some specific things, like your child is not going good. Is not doing good. Is fighting or she's fighting or doing this, doing that. So the parents will slap in front of that teacher and she'll be happy. Aha, I've done it. What do you think? What you're losing? You're losing your credit as well as your children's credit. Don't do it. Just smile and say, teacher, next time I'll take care that he or she will not do it. I think such small things will make your parenting happy, and even the future of your child will be bright. Okay friends, that's all for today. I'm sure you would have liked my video. If you liked my video, please give like to it, comment it, and if you have not asked your friends and family members to subscribe, please subscribe this channel. We are going to provide you many motivational, educational, as well as many other videos. Thank you. Have a good day.